take me back to the start. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. I'll take me back to the start.
Let me hear you say this. But you better not kill the groove. Hey, hey, it's murder on the dance floor. But you better not steal the moves, DJ. Gonna turn this house around somehow.
I thought of something funnier than 24, 25.
Yeah, all the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me.
We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage crime.
Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah.
We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time.
I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you this. I can tell you this. Not trying to be romantic or hit it from the back. Just you don't get attached. I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you this. I can tell you this. Not trying to be romantic or hit it from the back. Just you don't get attached.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky.
What you do to me, it's what you do to me. What you do to me, what you do to me, what you do to me.
exclusive.
Bad thing, funny as hell, big as full. Oh my God, that's my baby. Caroline, who did fine, mighty fine. Started really good fine. That's true. Like a pool. Holy, I'm released. It's looking like it's about time to keep up. Caroline, listen up. Don't wanna hear about your horoscope or what those future hoes. Shut up and let's get it.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah.
Don't you know I'll lose one toe when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see?
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
Don't you know I'll lose one toe when you're not next to me?
Special team, special plays, special players.
Hide away with me some more. You're just a hideaway, you're just a feeling. You let my heart escape me on your mean. Don't even I can find a way to stop the storm. Oh baby, it's out of control. It's close.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Feel like people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling.
It takes two to break a heart in two. Ooh, baby, you blame me, and baby, I blame you. Ooh,
Now he's thinking about me when I was in the sweet like this so. So you can sleep me, I know that's that me is so. Move it up down, bright hopes, chill lightning to low. So you can sleep me, I know that's that me
I had some help. It ain't like I can make this kind of mess all by myself. Don't act like you ain't helped me pull that bottle off the shelf. And deep in every weekend, if you couldn't tell, they say cheap like Mexico.
Hey, yo, where'd you get that cheese, Danny?
When I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always made you stand out in a crowd. But someone picked you from the a bunch. One glance was all it took. Now it's much too late for me to take a second look.
Ain't no Halle Berry or hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
Oh, baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please let me back in your heart? Oh, darling, I was glad to let you go, but now since I see,
Bitch, you make they call me Superman. Leap tall hoes in a single bound. I'm single now, got no ring on his finger now. I never let another chick bring me down in a relationship. Save it, bitch, babysit. You make me sick. Superman ain't saving shit. Girl, you can jump on Shady's dick. Straight from the hip, cut to the chase. I tell a motherfucking slut to her face. Play new games, say new names. Ever since I broke up with what's her face, I'm a different man. Kiss my ass, kiss my lips. Bitch, my ass, kiss my dick, get my cash. I'd rather have you whip my ass.
you say that I'm messing with your head. Oh, 'cause I was making out with your friend. You're on your knees, begging, please stay with me. But honestly, I just need to be a little crazy. All my life I've been good, and now I'm thinking, what the hell? All I want is to mess around, and I don't really care about.
Show yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees falling, be haunted. Show yourself, take only what you need from it.
Thinking, what the hell?
A family of trees falling, be haunted.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remix it for love.
Slang when you notice the stripes, the dirt in your fries. Hope it's right when you die. Old and bony.
And like it hard with my baby, baby. I just love the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And like it hard with my baby, baby. I'll be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah.
Jumping off the porch like mom's not home. Tell me why the best things feel so wrong. Summer nights, love them how they take so long. Run with the feeling of being alive while we're still young.
Phase.
Ain't it fun? Living in the real world. Ain't it good? Being all alone. Only wanna be the one that I call baby. 'Cause I'm big boys and boys. Shoot another shot to stop the feeling. You could say just the way you are. Make an excuse for stupid reasons.
Alors on danse. Alors on danse. Alors on danse. Alors on danse. Alors on danse.
Don't get me started, love. I've had too much drink. Had too much time to think. So leave me alone.
One kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need.
To all the bitch assholes that hate me the most. Oh yeah, I hate you too. To all the bum assholes that just wanna talk shit, I hate you too. To all the high class ass that's too hot too fast. Oh yeah, I hate you too. Hey, roses and mimosas, champagne, gang.
Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me.
Spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while.
I don't care if Monday's black, Tuesday, Wednesday, heart attack, Thursday, never looking back. It's Friday, I'm in love.
Then she will be loved. Then she will be loved. Then she will be loved.
It's Friday, I'm in love.
Never heard of Dasher?
No.
Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly.
Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, crash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, turn it, grip it, drag it, drop it, zip and zip it.
Gucci down to the socks like I'm Biggie Popper. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But really doubt she a silly hoe, cause she know the Frankenstein getting pretty dope. She don't get nothing from my nigga though. All she get is hard dick and some Cheerios. Baby.
Agreement.
We require certain skill.
gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up on the wall. Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up on the wall.
Can't help myself, I count the stars. Gonna way out to be wild.
Get down on it, come on and get down on it. You really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it.
We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceship smiles. Unapologetic, gonna fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. Baby, we fuck up the night. We gon' fuck up the night. It's always darkest before the dawn. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Oh, oh. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Oh, oh. And it's hard to dance with the devil on your nerves, so shake him up.
We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Whoa, living on a prayer.
Like a man dick?
Yeah, like a man dick.
Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, baby, take it, take it, love it. Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, baby, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be a captain. Tonight I'ma let you be a thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you set me higher. Tonight, baby, we can get it on, yeah. We can get it on, yeah.
All the small things, true care, truth brings. I'll take one lift, your ride, best trip. Always, I know you'll be at my show, watching, waiting, commiserating. Say it ain't so, I will not go. Turn the lights off, carry me home. Keep your head still, I'll be your thrill. The night will go on, my little
Say
way.
my name, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make nobody cry. I apologize to the cry.
Just come outside for the night. Yeah. Take your time, get your light. Dirty night.
I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Anything please, have mercy on me. Take this pain away. Just give me my symptoms, I don't wanna feel.
Off my face, don't know where I am, cause I got my drugs from Amsterdam. Off my face, don't know where I am, cause I got my drugs from Amsterdam.
369 girls wanna drink wine. Tell the man not to waste your time. If the man broke, the man here joke. So you gotta get loose with the Henny and the Coke. 3, 2, 1, girls wanna have fun. If the man don't dance, he's done. Tell him move on, get the man gone. Now can I get a Coke with my rum?
Look at the stars, look how they shine.
Good
done it, ladies and gentlemen. We made it. It is Friday. We are so jacked up for this day because we got a couple big things coming on up. We know right now we are getting ready for something that is an incredible opportunity. I have a link. I have a code right here that will give you access to sign up to Cobra's premium brokerage. Their brand new brokerage made just for sub PDT rule accounts, where now you guys will have unlimited trading. Now you will have 4-to-1 margin. Now you can sign up with as little as $2,500 and you guys can trade as much as you want in pre-market, in after hours, and short as much as you want. That's going to be absolutely awesome, guys. And I'm really excited for it because I know how big this is. The reason why I'm so excited here, traders, I'll be honest with you, is simply enough because I cannot wait until June 4th, where we do kick off the small account challenge, and for the rest of the world when their PDT rule ends. And the reason why I say that is because of what here, team? The amount of volatility that is going to be flooding through this market is going to be absolutely insane. The amount of hype, the amount of press releases, the amount of traders, and yes, don't get me wrong, there will be people, hopefully not you, but there will be people that will blow up their accounts. There will be people that are going to lose. There will be people that are going to take massive hits. And I want you guys to understand that, but there also will be people that turn 2,000 into 20,000, 20,000 to 100K. We will see more volatility, I truly believe, June, July, and August than I have seen in my last 11 years of stock trading. It is going to be one fun, crazy ride, and I cannot wait to do it with you guys. So, right now it is 7:43. What I want to do here for the rest of today here, or at least for this Friday, is we know I'm dropping this link at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time is when we are getting after it. Now, let's go ahead and make some trades right now, though. I want to finish off this week before our Memorial Day weekend. I want to dive into this here, guys, as you guys know, right before, right before the 3-day weekend. So right before the 3-day weekend, let's see what we can do. Guys, is there anything going crazy right now? Hey, let's take a step back from our excitement. I know, again, let's take a step back for our excitement. And let's take one moment for every single person to smash that thumbs up. Smash it. Hit it as hard as you can. Oh! So, do that right here and right now. Let's get ourselves prepared and ready to go and ready to get after it. So, what is going to be the best overall play on this day? What is going to be the best overall opportunity? And of course, we are going to dive into it right now. First things first, let's just look at the top gainers on the day. Do we need to look at PCLA today? PCLA, traders, stock went pretty explosive. $2 all the way up to $11. Is it anything worth our time right now? I mean, should you be aware of it? 100%. Is it a stock that people are going to be watching at the bell? 100%. PCL went from $2 all the way up to $11. It has fallen back on down to $5. So it's not as hyped up. It's not as kind of exciting. It did give back a whole bunch of the spike. But regardless, people will watch for a bounce play off $5. Regardless, people will watch for a shorting opportunity. Regardless, people are going to watch to see, can it go ahead and spike all the way back up towards $11? It would almost be like, let's imagine you're at a high school basketball game, and all of a sudden one player came off the bench, and he just dunked on someone extremely hard. If that kid gets subbed out, when he comes back in, you might watch him. You might watch the game a little bit more, just because you want to see if he's going to dunk again. Same exact thing with PCLA. PCLA had a massive dunk. Came off the bench, just the crowd erupted, he got taken off the bench, but right now he might be coming back in the game. We don't know if PCLA is going to go on that massive spike once again, but it's definitely at least going to perk us up a little bit. We're still going to be watching it. We're still going to be aware of it. What else do we have here? Well, number 2 top gainer. Number 2 top gainer is AKTX. Now, traders, AKTX, this stock started getting a lot of hype yesterday. Stock went all the way from $5, shot all the way on up towards $8. $8, shot all the way up towards $15. Now, AKTX at this moment is currently sitting right around $10.80, $11. Now, AKTX, this is a play here that I see does have a pretty strong downtrend opportunity. Now, this downtrend is up towards around like 1166. Let's just see here, AKTX, what we may want to do on this play if this stock starts getting a little bit of hype. If this stock starts getting a little momentum, you guys can see some old spiking highs as well, up near around 1230. I see downtrend, and then I see up towards around 1230. What do you guys like more for, again, resistance? What do you guys think is a better resistance line out of AKTX right here? Now, AKTX, we have a downtrend right here, which is right around that 1130. We have old against spiking high up towards around 1230. AKTX is trying to move itself on up. Let's go ahead and see how much shares are to short. Short locate here. Pop this on out so everyone can see. Let's go over towards AKTX, and let's say I wanted to grab 1,500 shares. Inquire about those 1,500 shares. 1,500 shares. Click locate lowest. Bring this on over. That's going to cost $132. I will say if this one starts getting above $12, I'll pay the fee. I don't want to pay the fee now, but I will say if it gets above $12, I would pay that fee. We do have the downtrend right here. Now, again, something I do want to look at is what made AKTX last night go on this spike? What made AKTX last night go on this type of move? So, AKTX, let's go ahead and check it on out. Let's go to search, type in AKTX right here. Let's get, again, all the news that has come on out recently. And what did we have, traders? Look what came out last night. Thursday, right? May 21st, we had a big press release. And the press release that came on out here, you guys could see, opening up the full article here, it says it reports breakthrough preclinical data, right? So that's amazing. Breakthrough, one of our keywords. Preclinical data, keyword. Demonstrating, keyword, cancer. We're reporting breakthrough data demonstrating, again, cancer. Basically working on its cancer models or cancer treatment or cancer whatever. But this, again, appeared right here over on Fox Runner. It's a 3-star press release. We know AKTX is a stock that we want to be focusing on, a stock that we want to be watching. So this one did have credible news over on AKTX. And AKTX is a stock that I like. I like that press release. I like this hype. I like the momentum we have over on AKTX right now. So do I think there's a chance that this one could spike and go big today? Absolutely. But there's also a chance it's going to, I think, hit right around 1230, 1240 and maybe have a little rejection. So AKTX, one of my favorite plays at this moment. LFS, little spike, came up to $5, came back on down. So again, we take a look at PCLA. PCLA's fading. AKTX is my favorite play at this moment. It's probably yours as well. Watching to see, are we going to be able to run and break back up to 15? LFS, big thing, guys. Closer you get to $5, the more hype there will be. It's really as easy as that. The closer you get to $5, the more hype there will be. The closer you get to $5, the more excitement there will be. The closer you get to $5, the more attention there will be. So, let's make sure that we are staying alert and staying ready over on that here. Is there anything else that's huge? Traders, let's take a moment. Everyone at this time, let's head on over to Fox Runner. Let's kind of get our bearings straight. And actually, we might have AKTX start to move on up here. So before we go over to Fox Runner, let's just continue to just stay aware on this AKTX potential play. Because AKTX, guys, as we know, definitely has opportunity to squeeze and spike. Let's just go over to Fox Runner really quickly. And what I want to do is, what are the best press releases of today? Top gainers with news or filings. Kids, AREC, SMX. Ladies and gentlemen, out of actual news today, out of the news right now at this moment, we only have Kids is up 17%. We only have AREC up 10%. So out of the press releases today, everyone give me one word that describes so far today's press releases. Bad, sucks, garbage, dog shit. Dog shit's 2 words. Those are, again, little examples. 17% gain, blah. 10%, blah. 8%, blah. Guys, we don't care about stocks that aren't moving. So we want to find, again, the hype. Now, where's the hype right now? Well, hype, guys, is on news from PCLA last night. The hype is on AKTX news last night. So these are, again, plays that you guys can see right here, right? We know kids had a $100 million purchase agreement. But again, what really got the traders excited last night here, team? We were seeing, again, let me scroll on down here. We were seeing the news last night that got all the hype. You know, AKTX, right? So AKTX preclinical data, that's what's getting a lot of this momentum. Guys, look at this. Stocks just spiked on up towards around that 1160-ish mark. Is there a chance that we go on this little rally up towards $12 plus? Right? PCLA is not bad here. It's really not. Let me double check though. What was the news last night on PCLA? Guys, I didn't even look. What was PCLA's news last night to kind of make it go on this rip? It says no news found. Guys, was there news last night on PCLA? Or is it just a random blanker? PCLA, 7 months ago was last press release on PCLA. I don't see any reasoning on PCLA. So, again, would I watch PCLA? Absolutely. Would I be aware of PCLA? Absolutely. I don't see any news on this play, but I would say, hey, you know what? A stock that's gone from $2 to $11 is definitely still worth our time. It's definitely a play I would still keep on the back burner no matter what. But AKTX with positive preclinical cancer data is probably going to just be a little bit of a better bet at this moment. You guys know what I mean? So let's just make sure that we are fully aware of this. Data trader ready for 9:30 a.m. Guys, and please note, you do not need $2,500 today. You don't need that. So for any, just a heads on up here, guys, I just want to explain this for every single person, make sure everyone's on the same page. This morning, as we know, at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, we have the broker, Cobra, who is one of the biggest and best brokers for day trading. Cobra is, again, releasing their brand new sub PDT rule platform. So this is for the first time ever. For the first time ever, if you have an account under $25,000, you can use Cobra. You have to have a minimum of $2,500. Now today we have early access. Now guys, you probably know this. You probably know that the world will not have access until June 4th. June 4th is when officially the PDT rule goes away. But we today have early access. Now what does that mean, guys? Early access, we can sign up, we can fund our accounts, and we can trade. So the thing is here, team, this morning, it is, again, basically what this is it's a soft launch where, again, they trust me a lot and they trust, hey, let's just have a few people that you select that, again, can come in. Let's use it. Let's make sure, again, everything's good. You guys can get early access, all that great stuff. So the thing is, we have 100 spots for early access because I don't even know how allowed this is supposed to be. So we have 100 spots and that's it. So at 9:30, I'm dropping a link. I already have a spot. So I guess technically there's only 99 spots left. I'm sorry, I used one of the spots because I want to be able to trade. So we got 99 spots left, actually, I should probably say. And I'm dropping that for, again, at 9:30. Now, please note, this is, again, for you just to get a seat. Sign up, get a seat. You can fund your account next week. You know what I mean? So the thing is, you don't even need $2,500 just today at this moment. You guys can wait until next week to fund your account. That's fine, right? Lickety split. What about the 500 people that signed up? You, again, for anyone that signed up on the Cobra waiting list, that's, again, for June 4th. This right here is just for, again, super early access. So if you sign up to that waiting list like 2 months ago, you will have access June 4th, and that's great. This is for, again, anyone who wants to get in early, be able to trade as much as they want now. So let's make sure we are all ready to go. We are all set, ready to get after it. And we are going to get ourselves prepared. 7:55 in the market here, traders. Guys, we have 5 minutes until the market opens on up, or, you know, the press release wave happens. Traders, one of my favorite, I was going through this here today. As you guys know, one of my favorite things to do every single morning is to go through this analyst alerts page, because it just basically like kind of puts a lot of different thoughts and gets me thinking. One of my favorite, I thought this was extremely interesting. Did you guys see this morning? Grand Theft Auto 6. Now, what the heck is Fox Runner doing talking about Grand Theft Auto 6? It's saying TTWO, how Grand Theft Auto 6 can potentially make millionaires. I have brought this up before, where it says investment opportunity, Grand Theft Auto 6 and Take-Two Interactives. It says Grand Theft Auto 6 stands out as one of the most highly anticipated video game release companies of the decade and a flagship title from one of the entertainment industry's most successful franchises, developed by Rockstar Games and published by Take-Two. GTA 6 is scheduled to launch on November 19th of 2026. So guys, why is this so important? So what happens here is that for anyone that is in the video game world in any way, you probably know that Grand Theft Auto 6 is the most hyped up, the most anticipated game that we have had in the last 15 years. People are more excited than ever for GTA 6. Guys, projections is they're saying that the company projects to make 8 billion to 8.2 billion in 2027. It says that what do we have here? They have potential revenue, not profit, but potential revenue to make $7.6 billion in the first 2 months alone. Traders, just think about this. There's a company right here, TTWO. TTWO is going to be making $2 billion the first 2 months alone when GTA 6, comes on in. Why do you guys think TTWO has been moving on up? Hype, anticipation. Now this game doesn't come out until November. So do you guys believe that maybe over August, October, November, we get that 3-day rally of or the 3-month rally where people get a lot of excitement and people start saying to themselves, hey, this game's going to be making billions of dollars. Let's go ahead and invest into TWO. And even if it doesn't make billions of dollars, just the hype of it is going to rise that play on up. So TTWO, if you guys are in at the low 200s, they did have a good earnings report last night as well. And it's definitely something interesting to kind of keep on your watch list. So let's see if this play is going to be able to go on any sort of spike. All right, team. What are you guys thinking today? Let's get everyone on the same mindset. So far this week, we have seen a lot of big spikes and then sell-offs. Actually, we haven't even seen that big of spikes. We saw big spikes at 4 in the morning. We saw big spikes at 5 in the morning, and then big sell-off. We have not seen a clear-cut number one top gainer to spike and hold up its gains. Right? I mean, traders, we've seen a couple random plays that definitely have tried to rip and run. And again, AKAN, that one had a little action yesterday. I don't know if it had any sort of news though. But again, this one was trying to get a little hype yesterday. It went from $15 up to $30, sitting at around $23. AKAN, this was a great yesterday top gainer. I would still say let's keep this one on our watch list. But I want to find something I'm talking about in pre-market. I want to find something in the next 1 minute that's going to be able to make us money. So in the next 30 seconds, are we going to be able to make a nice profit? Are we going to be able to make a nice play? Well, as we know, we have the answer right here. At the bottom of the screen, Fox Runner is going to be coming out with all news. Every press release that comes out is going to be a potential reason for us to buy into it. When everyone says, how do you know what's the best play to buy? You have to find what's the best stock for a reason for you to buy. Well, what's a reason? News. News leads to people wanting to jump in on plays. So we have the 8 a.m. press release wave. We only want low float stocks to come on out, so we filter it for 0 to 30 million in float. And honestly, throughout this entire week, the amount of quick spikes to quick dumps we've had, I would probably be looking for more shorting than spiking at this time. Now, if we see some sort of random low float stock start ripping on up, I'm probably going to look for a short, and it's great to either use Fox Runner to either find stocks to buy, or you can wait for them to spike and then short them back on down. Whatever you guys want, there's again opportunity for it. Right now, I don't see anything moving. We've only had 4 press releases come out. It is Friday, and it is before a holiday weekend. Let's understand that, guys. It is Friday, and it is right before a holiday weekend. What I will say, though, is already watch list I just want to kind of write out a watch list right now because I want everyone to know some of my thoughts. One big thing is AKAN. Another big thing, again, we want to talk about this one, FUTU. Another big one, AKTX. Just kind of like right now, if anyone's asking me, Deck, what's your watch list? It would be these 3 plays. And I want to kind of go over all 3 of these plays here and see what we have, okay? So, first things first is everyone take a look over on FUTU. Oh my goodness, guys. FUTU went from 125 and now is dumped all the way back on down towards around $73. What in the world is happening over on FUTU? Guys, this play here, I am not even seeing any sort of news, but there has to be FUTU. There's got to be something that's going on with this play leading towards this massive sell-off. Okay, so it says right here, China has opened investigations and issued advanced administration penalties against TIGR and FUTU. So, just a heads on up for you guys. Basically, like, China is investigating. They're Chinese plays. Now, could there be bigger drops? Could there be bigger sell-offs? All right, here. So we are all set. So we have FUTU. Now, guys, I do want to ask, I don't think I would ever, and again, this is me personally, I don't think I would ever even dip buy a stock that's being investigated. Okay? I don't think I ever want to dip buy a stock that's being investigated. Ryan, can you check the email real quick? Thank you, Ryan. FUTU, people will be like, hey, let's get a dip buy at $75. I think this one could even go more than this. I know it looks crazy. I know it's already a big dump, but I personally would never look for a dip buy on a stock that is being investigated. When a stock is being investigated, I have seen plays come crashing on down. Guys, what's one of the best investigations ever? Who remembers, are they not even a play anymore? Nikola? Do you guys remember the electric vehicle trucks? Do you guys remember those? NKLA? And it was really just they pushed a truck down a hill and they said it was driving by electricity, but it was really just getting pushed down a hill. Do you guys remember that? NKLA, when that got investigated, it's not even a stock anymore. So the thing is, you know, if we have FUTU, I know again, some people might say, hey, the stock is falling from 125 down to 76. Honestly, I would say, if anything, look to be able to short it even more, right? So FUTU, this one is easily accessible for shorts, but to be frank with you, it might just keep on going down. It might just keep going lower. There's a chance that this just keeps on fading and dropping and fading and dropping all the way on down towards sub 70. So that opportunity is there. Heads on up for every single trader that you might get weaker here coming up in the future. FUTU, definitely one that you'd want to watch. What else do we have here? What about AKAN? Now, ladies and gentlemen, AKAN, this was the top gainer of yesterday during the day. During the day yesterday, AKAN woke up. Now you might say, why? Like, why did AKAN start spiking? Why did AKAN start ripping and running? Why did AKAN start going on a climb? I'm going to tell you guys exactly why AKAN is making the move that it is. Okay? If you guys take a look over on this daily chart here, AKAN did have a monster spike. And again, I want every single person to understand this. So again, make sure you guys write this down so you guys don't, forget. AKAN had a monster spike, a monster rip, a monster run back in late April. If we take a look at this play, it went all the way from $3 and shot up to 80. But so why did we get such a big time spike yesterday? It's more about the pure fact that we finally found our main support area. And that main support area is that 50-day moving average. When we found this area, it just gave a reason for people to buy in, and then a short squeeze occurred. So AKAN, this entire play here from yesterday came on down to this was an April supernova, has fallen for the past month, and finally we found a floor where shorters covered, buyers moved in, and then people started buying the stock all the way back on up. Now, could AKN go up even higher today? I think absolutely. I think AKN could, squeeze maybe back up to the 200-day moving average. I think AKN could continue to rip and run today. But I would say there's no news on this play. It's because it's a previous supernova. So I want to type that on out. It says AKAN previous supernova from April. Yesterday, this stock was a top gainer after finally falling down to the 50-day moving average, which held as massive support. Shorters covered, and buying momentum moved in. This does not have any new fresh news, but a strong dip buy. So basically yesterday, this whole entire play, it was more just from this very strong dip buy opportunity that again got a lot of hype and momentum. And I would say definitely still a chance of success here today. Definitely a chance of a success here to be able to spike and rip and run and keep on going up more. Definitely a chance for, again, buying volume to be able to continue to push. So AKAN, every single person should have that on our watch list here. What else do we have here? AREB, 9 cents, yucky. I don't want that, guys. We get AKAN as I'm talking about it. Guys, AKAN right now as I'm talking about it, trying to squeeze its way on up a little bit. Anyone think that this play could start waking up? Take a look, guys. AKAN. Could this play start waking up a little bit? $25 going to be some strong resistance. I always like giving stocks a chance. Could we see a possible little rally? I would love to. Absolutely love to. See if, again, we could get a little rally on some of these plays. See if AKN can break 25, run on up towards around like 27. Guys, I'm gonna slowly enter over on AKAN. I want to see if AKN can maybe get a little squeeze here. I could imagine Friday, people running back over to the previous top gainer. People saying, hey, you know what? Let's see if we get a little breakout. Let's see if AKN can get a little rally here. So is there a chance that this little squeeze right here could start something up? So I'm going to give AKAN a chance right now to see if AKN can start this little squeeze on a Friday, 8:09 in the morning. And hey, guys, if I can make even just like a quick $500, nothing wrong with that in any sort of way. Let's see if AKAN can kind of rally on up here. Could this little squeeze begin? Oh my goodness, traders. Let's see if this thing can rally. Guys, where would be some strong resistance? Up near around 27. If we start breaking 26, like 40, I might just take some profits and just be a happy little camper and just say, hey, make some free money. So AKN, we could see we're trying to rally. Let's see if we can break 26. Right now, we're up $250, guys. It is Friday. It's Friday. Any profit's good. Just a little heads up for you guys. Any profit's good. So if you're up 250 and you're like, hey, I want to take 250, get out of there. If you're up 400, you want to take 400, get out of there. But right now, AKAN, $26 on the ask, $25.72 on the bids. Now again, we're starting to push on up a little bit more. Let's see, can we break 26? If we can break 26, guys, things can get exciting. So $25.95, we're up $400. Now 26 here, guys. Is this going to rally? Is this going to rally? $400. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Can we get something fun here? Almost $500 right now here, traders. Traders, I'm going to be a big, to be honest with you, I'm going to be a big baby and take my gains right now just to be a smart guy. I'm going to take $400 when I have it on a Friday. Hey, free $400. I can't complain. So I'm going to take a free $400 when I have it. Guess what? AKAN is up to $26.50 now. $26.60 now. I don't care. I'm already locked in profits, but I want you guys to win. So it's at 26.60. Hey, traders, free, again, nothing. I will never be upset with a free $400 on a Friday. So AKAN, we started seeing this little rip and run, started getting ourselves a little excited about it. Started saying, okay, maybe something can happen here. Okay. So I want to make sure people are realizing how big and how much, momentum this stock could possibly be having for us right now. So again, let's stay alert, let's stay smart, let's watch and wait to see again where that hype is truly going to go. Guys, look at this. AKAN now trying to move itself on up even more. So we are still seeing spiking, ripping, running, climbing, popping here. It is so great, and I absolutely love when we see plays like this. When we see, again, like these early plays. And again, it's like, I don't care. I can always jump back in. I can always look for shorts. It's all about, again, just locking in opportunities when you have it. You know? Guys, here comes AKAN. AKAN. Guys, is everyone making money on this play? Is everyone making cash on this play right now? Still pushing, still spiking, still ripping here. Oh my, oh my. All right, how much higher can we go? How much higher can we go on AKAN? If you guys are making money here this morning, smash that thumbs on up. Oh, baby. Traders, we're coming up to previous highs here pretty soon. AKAN 2950. Next kind of main resistance line. Can we, I don't know. Do you want to look for a possible short or not? Yeah, that was perfect timing, guys. That was like perfect timing on our end to just see that thing like. Shorts cost $80. That's really not that bad, guys. $80 for shorts, that's really like nothing. Where is the old spiking high from yesterday? Guys, old spiking high from yesterday is 29.50. We just hit 29.30. What are you guys thinking at this point? I'm thinking we could easily hit that 29.30 mark and then maybe reverse and reject from there. If we do keep on spiking, what's going to be the new highs? 31? It's just like, let's see here. Are we going to break through 29s? 29s, guys. Are we going to break those? If we do break 29s, how much more is left truly in the tank? And like, part of me wants to get a small short in case we do get that pullback. You know what I mean? Part of me wants to get that possible short for that quick little pullback. AKAN right now. You guys can see we are getting a little bit of a drop right here. I'm just, again, kind of waiting to see what we can do. Stock has room to run definitely back up towards that 28.50 mark. I'm just trying to... I'm going to go small again, traders. So I'm just kind of throwing this out here. I'm going to go very small and just see if I can get some good opportunities to be able to get filled for a possible reversal back on down towards the low, like, mid 27s or so. You know what I mean? Get a low, like, 27 entry. So I'm just going to slowly look for something here. Slowly start adding 100 shares at a time. And just see if I can get some decent entries. Now, I don't want to go too big because I don't want to, again, take any unnecessary loss. But I do want to just do 100 shares at a time here. Let me bring over my P&L. Right now, guys, I do have a cost basis of $28.65. Okay, guys, so a little heads on up. My next entry is in. I am currently shorting. Deck, why are you shorting? I'm shorting only because we just hit the pre-market, yesterday's old high. Yesterday's old high should be holding up as some sort of resistance line. So I'm thinking, A, this is going to be resistance. That's going to be tough to break above. I think B, we could find support all the way back on down towards, $25, $26. To be frank with you, I'll just keep adding profits if I can make a free 200 bucks or so. You know what I mean? I don't need to do anything stupid. I don't need to do anything crazy. If I could just get, $200, $300, $400 here and there, I will take it, keep adding again onto my Friday. It's Friday before Memorial Day. I don't need to be a psychopath. You guys know what I mean? So right now here, guys, AKAN, 400 shares in on this play, 400 shares ready to market order. If we crack the bids of $28, gonna push me up pretty good. Can we crack $28 real quick, get a nice little sell-off, and be able to push myself up another $400? So bids right here, 28, 300 shares left on the bids at 28. Ask at 28, 2802. Let's see, 2, 3, 1. Guys, we are looking to see if we get that crack of 2803 here. 2802, only 300 shares left. Gonna see if the ask can start working its way back on down. Gotta see the, guys, bids at 28 again. 200 shares, 300 shares left at 28. 28 goes, guys. We should fall down to 2764, 2770. Should be a nice little sell-off to take profits on the short. Should be about $400 we can make again. 2801, gotta see the ask start dropping back on down. Ask at 28.29 right now. Bids right now, $28 flat. Cracks of $28. $28 is getting $600. 600 orders though. Shares trying to hold on up as support. Back to 28.03. Back up 250 bucks. Watching for again 28 to go. 200 shares left at 28. Floors again starting to crack. 100 shares left at 28. 200 shares left at 28. Guys, again, I'm watching for that $28 sell-off just to make that quick 400 if I can. 28.06 still trying to hold on up here. Traders, I'm going to get out of this play. Take my profits right now just because $28 is still holding on up. Bids are starting to move back up. Guess what? I'll take a free $84. Doesn't hurt me. I was looking for that $28 crack. $28 is holding up the floor. I can see it on the level 2. So I'm going to get out and wait for a better entry. So now look at this, guys. Now it's coming back up to 29. Good thing I took my profits at 80 when I was up, $100 or so. Says now it's starting to move back on up to 29. I noticed again by watching the level 2 that the $28 mark was holding up as the floor. Got out of that play. That's how you read the level 2. So again, I'm watching the level 2, reading the level 2, seeing the bid, seeing the ask, and again realizing $28 isn't cracking. Let me move on. Stock reverses, now backs up to 29. Okay, so far, guys, just shy of 500 bucks. Just shy of $500 on the day. All right, here, traders. Let's again continue to watch and wait. Seeing where again, great job from everyone over on again AKAN. And that was a great play. That was an absolutely amazing work so far here. So that you guys are all good. Traders, I do want to make sure everyone is aware it is Friday. And I want to make sure that you guys are all set here before Memorial Day weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have not every single person here, make sure you guys take advantage of all the massive sales. Trade Ideas is having a Memorial Day sale. Trade Ideas is my charting right here. It's this green box, this red box, everything that I show during the live market. If you guys want 28% off, you guys can type in DECMAR28 for annual subscriptions, 28% off. If you want monthly, type in DECMAR22 for 22% off. I will send you, if you guys sign up to Trade Ideas, I will send you my pre-market scanners. I will send you my live trading scanners. I will send you my after-hour scanners. So all my scanner codes, I will send you so that you guys have every single thing that I have so that you guys are ready to rock and roll every single morning. So DECMAR28 for 28% off on a annual membership. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that on out right now. And then, of course, DECMAR22 if you guys are interested over there. Other than that, as you guys know, we do have Fox Runner is on their Memorial Day sale as well. Right now on Fox Runner, guys, they are having 50% off every single membership. Fox Runner is probably the greatest scanner I've ever used in my life. You guys can see right now, everything is pretty dirt cheap. The annual membership now is no longer $50 a month, it's $25 a month. $25. And you guys get the AI voice alerts. You guys get the rankings. You guys get all the hot keywords. So you guys get all the ranking system, the keyword system, the AI voice alerts. You guys can get the filters. You guys do get access to the premium news, all the headlines. You guys get access to the mobile app, the push notifications. Everything that I do to find all the best stocks every single day, AKAN, watching this play, high watch, high alert, short squeeze. You don't even need to know how to trade. And Fox Runner will literally just tell you where to go. So, make sure if you guys have not yet, you guys head on over there and get yourself 50% off every single membership so that you guys are ready to rock. So, let me again grab that. Over on again, foxrunner.com. 50% off Memorial Day weekend. So that is now live. Make sure you guys go take advantage of that. Absolutely huge. And then we do have, last but not least, guys, anyone that wants to get funded over on Prop Firm Trading. One-stop prop here, baby. One-stop prop. Absolutely awesome prop firm. Have always been so great to us. If you guys want to go ahead and take advantage of their sale, you guys will be all good here. One-stop prop. They are having what? They are having 30% off. So we have 28% off on Trade Ideas, 30% off on One-Stop Prop, and 50% off over on Fox Runner. Make sure you guys go ahead and watch that all. So, beautiful work. And then last but not least, today's the day, guys. Today's the day that everyone's been waiting for. And what is that? That's obviously, again, the broker here. I am not posting the broker link until 9:30 a.m. Just a heads up for every single person. I am not posting the broker link until 9:30 a.m. That's the day, at the time I promised everyone. It's going to be an absolute free-for-all. They're going to lock you out after 99 spots take. So, again, you don't need to have the funds ready to go. Just get your spot. Get your spot, early access, no PDT rule, small accounts. You're good to go. Start trading. It's going to take you a few days to get funded regardless. So, it's not like you're going to sign up and get funded today. It's going to take a few days to get approved, and you guys will be all set, ready to rock. Make sure today you guys are signing up and good to go. AKAN is exploding. Ladies and gentlemen, AKAN is still going. Little heads on up, I am not in on AKAN. Now imagine if I was still holding AKAN from $25 today, guys. AKAN, I jumped in at $25. It's now $31. What did we just get up to? 33 bucks. 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average, 31.73. Guys, 200-day moving average, 31.73. Does anyone think that will have any impact on this play? 31.73 is the 200-day moving average. Any impact on this play, you guys think, or no? Definitely could. 31.73. Seems like $32 is more like of a strong resistance here. I don't want to short this. I'm too scared to short this play. This play seems too strong to me. Don't you guys think it, like, maybe look for dip buys back on down towards like the 30 mark? But I mean, this thing just looks strong. This thing just looks strong right now. Tom Deck, with one stop prop, a new user is allowed to one free add-on such as daily payouts or 12% max. Which one would you choose? I would probably pick daily payouts. So the moment that you guys, again, get funded, the moment you make money, you can just request a payout and get paid right away. I would probably rather have that. AKAN, guys, still exploding. So traders, let's see how much more left is here. Stock is trying to spike. The old spiking high I can see over here. What is this area? 35, 36, 35, 36 would be a great target. We got up to 33.50 so far. I would say if you can get a dip buy in the 30s, nothing wrong with that. Even 29s. Guys, I'm going to just look for dip buys. I'm going dip buys. I don't feel comfortable shorting it. I don't feel comfortable shorting this play. I'd rather, again, look for opportunities to kind of go with momentum than go against momentum. Do you guys agree with me on that, you think? I would rather go with momentum than against momentum. So I'll get ready for dip buys. Dip buys seem better. Also, 2 minutes until the 8:30 a.m. press release wave. 2 minutes until the 8:30 a.m. press release wave here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here. Guys, AKAN still trying to spike. How high can this one go up to? I would say, again, dip buy would be back on down towards 30, 29s. And then, again, shorts would be up above 35 to 36. That's kind of my game plan right here. Shorts, right around 36. Dip buys, more towards around 29.50. Also, guys, side note, 8:30 a.m. press release wave kicking on off. Traders, if you guys have not yet, smash that thumbs on up and make sure you guys are ready. So if you guys have not yet, you guys are enjoying this day and you guys are having fun trading live with me, hit that thumbs on up, subscribe to the channel, make sure you guys are all set, ready to get after it. Guys, we do have GMM has the word NVIDIA with it. It's most likely going to go on a big spike and a big dump. It's not saying they're partnering with NVIDIA. It's saying an AI platform developed in conjunction with NVIDIA. If, again, we see anything on GMM, it's going to be a pump and dump type of move. So please, again, just understand that we see that type of action happen a lot, where it's basically like, oh, they're working with NVIDIA. No, they're not. You know, so anything, if we ever see GMM go on any sort of big rip or spike, you know, it's just like short that thing right back down to the ground, you know? Now, the good news is I really don't want anything to get taken away from AKAN. So I actually don't want to see a massive press release here. GMM, I could get 6,000 shares for $12. If this stock ever starts spiking back above like 110 or so, it would be worth it, but not right now. Guys, AKAN, little bull flag setup. Little bull flag pattern over on AKAN. And nope, again, guys, Raymond, is there any news on AKN? There is not. Everyone take a look at my screen here. You guys can see over on Fox Runner, it says AKN, keep the stock on watch. That was, again, at 8 in the morning when the stock was at 26 bucks. It says a previous April supernova stock re-entered the spotlight yesterday as a top gainer after pulling back to its 50-day moving average, which acted as a strong technical support level. The rebound appeared to be driven by short covering and renewed buying momentum. So while there's been no specific news or press release, traders are viewing this as a notable dip buying following the recent technical bounce. So AKAN here, traders, what we essentially have is a short squeeze happening. What's a short squeeze? A short squeeze is a rapid spike in the stock's price triggered by an initial upward move. This forces investors who bet against the stock, short sellers, to quickly buy back the shares to cut their losses. So what we essentially have at this moment is we had a short squeeze yesterday, and the shorters are covering right now. And as shorters are covering right now, this is leading towards a nice big breakout and spike. So, AKAN, a lot of momentum, a lot of hype, a lot where, again, people are focused on right now. Guys, AKN might go on another rip here soon. AKN might get a next leg on up here. Make sure that you guys are fully ready for AKN to come on up. So all I'm doing is kind of just sitting back, staying smart, putting myself in good positions. And it just comes on down to AKAN right now. Awesome. Guys, awesome, 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 awesome. I'm really excited for this day. I'm really excited to see what's going to be coming on up. I'm really excited for, again, what this whole entire, Friday is going to be. I mean, guys, this Friday, we're already up nearly $500 on the day. Boom. We have a 3-day weekend. Boom. We are giving away early access to a PDT broker. Boom. Boom. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Traders, let's get ready for a potential dip buy. Dip buy, AKAN, if this play can start crashing on down towards 30s to the 29. So basically, where's my happy place? I'll tell you guys where my happy place is. My happy place is going to be basically from here back on down to here. This is the Sean Dekmar zone, baby. This is the Dekmar dungeon right here. Right here. This is where I want to get filled. Okay? So I take a look over on AKAN. You come inside the Dekmar dungeon. You ain't leaving the Dekmar dungeon. So, right here, traders, we are watching to see, can this play be able to get a nice little dump on down, fall again into this little channel? That's where I want to get my dip buy. BIYA, a little bit of buying volume on the upside. I don't mind it in any sort of way. And again, BIYA, I see, over on the chat, X-Men says, why is BIYA spiking? Take a look right here. What is, again, it's shown on Fox Runner. 8:30 a.m. BIYA, 1-star press release. Talks about establishing a $1 million strategic position. So again, all the answers are right here. That's the thing, guys. All the answers are given to you right there. So AKAN, we are watching this one. 9:30, guys. 9:30 is when you guys can sign up to the new broker, okay? All right. Right now here, team. Right now here. AKAN. Guys, AKAN. We want to get ready to go on this one. I do think AKAN guy is getting ready for that dip. I would like a dip buy. I would like this dip buy here. I would like to be able to get myself up. Now, traders, little heads on up for every single person, right? We have now added over on this play another $500. Traders, we are now up $8,400 for the month of May. Every trade has been live. You know, the only thing we're missing, I feel like, out of May is like a big kahuna. Like, we've been able to make $8,500 live trading in front of you guys every day, showing every single P&L, showing every single live trade, showing every single entry and exit, doing it in real time. Haven't we? We've done everything in real time in front of you, making sure that you guys are all good. Now, the thing is here, though, I would like to, we haven't had one day though yet where it was like $3 grand. We basically have grinded $600, $800, $1,000, $1,100, $800, $400, $600. And again, we've been able to make $8,400 so far. Now we still have an entire week of trading coming on up. And as of now, we are on pace to probably end this month with like 11 grand in profit. I think that would be like a safe conservative number, that like $11,000 mark, you know, right in profit. But I would like to see it. Can we get like a $2,000 day? So let's make sure we're ready. Guys, give me 1 second. I will be right back on the mic. And AKAN, we'll be all ready to rock and roll. Man, today's going to be a blast. Hey, smash that thumbs on up. Let's get ourselves ready to rock and roll. I am, again, staying ready, AKAN. Most likely, when I walk away from the computer in the next 2 seconds is most likely when I'm going to get filled. Give me a moment. I'll be right back on the mic. All right. AKAN is now trying to work itself on up here once again. We came on down to 31.30, a little bit of a pop. I was actually, again, hoping. I wanted to come on down to the Dekmar dungeon, baby. I should hang out posters. I'm going to get a billboard. Come on down to the Dekmar dungeon, where you will never see the light of day again. Right now, traders, happy Friday to absolutely everybody. We're looking for this next strong ripper. Big momentum spiker. Massive climber. And we know AKAN is the best bet as of now. Let's just make sure we're not missing anything, guys. We know AKAN's here. We know that this is where the majority of traders are focused on to kick off this day. But let's just make sure we are not missing anything. First things first, is there any big news? Well, the best press release is actually that 90-cent stock, BIYA. BIYA, Bioplan, establishes a $1 million strategic investment. All right. But then we go down towards a 19% gain. Then we go on down towards an 18% gain. Out of the hot press releases here, and again, I always look at what's the best plays of the best. BIYA is the most credible right now. And why is it the most credible? Because it has a good, strong press release at this time. It's a play that traders are focused on because it does have a reason as to why to buy it. KIDZ, not too much. AIDX. But the thing is here, team, it's not just about these plays with reason. There could be overall top gainers. Well, what about PCLA? Well, PCLA is also a play that doesn't really have a great reason. AKTX, amazing press release last night. Amazing press release last night. But we know our favorite right here is AKAN. AKAN, this is the one that I want to be watching and focusing on at the bell here. 36% gain in pre-market, currently sitting right around $31. I'm not the biggest fan of PCLA. I like AKTX a lot, has a great press release from last night. LFS, if this stock can get back up to $5, it's in play. If LFS can get back up to $5, it's in play. BIYA did have a good solid press release trying to break $1. So it's like, guys, let's just take a look at this real quick. If we, let's just minimize this here for a second. And let's just look at some of these top gainers here, right? PCLAs we already talked about, right? Let's just kind of break this on down for every single person. PCLA, considered the #1 top gainer on the day. Do we want to use a look at PCLA? It was all the way up towards $10. That's $6. Unfortunately, it just lost a lot of juice. You know? AKTX came out with positive cancer results yesterday. AKTX went all the way from $5 to $15. This is why this play is not done yet. This play has a lot of potential. This play, breaking back up towards around 12, it could get the hype. You want to write down AKTS. LFS, unless this play gets back above $5, I really just don't care about it. Unless it gets back above $5. BIYA is considered the best press release today. $1 million strategic plan. The best press release right now of this morning. BIYA looking for the break of $1. And again, 50-day moving average at 122, next strong resistance. And then last but not least, AKAN, previous top gainer, trying to stay alive. So, I just kind of want to write this on out here slightly for you guys. Let's just type out watch list, right? And if we write this on out, PCLA, not too concerned with this stock, right? It just has so much that it has to do still. PCLA, more of like a pump and dump in my eyes. Needs to get back up near 10 before I even, get interested. Needs to get back near $10. Next on up, AKTX. AKTX, amazing news last night. Cancer data. A break back above $12 will bring in hype. Awesome. LFS, LFS. Another stock, not too concerned with unless it re-breaks $5. BIYA, best PR this morning. And then we do have AKAN, my top watch after being the #1 top gainer of yesterday. So that's basically what I want you guys to be aware of. Like, that's my little list. I just wanted to type it out on stream so you guys can even get a clear-cut version of that. And ready to rock. But yeah, all this information right here, guys, is right here over on Fox Runner, and you guys would be all good. So, a lot of awesome stuff that you guys can check on out. We're still going to look, for AKAN today, we're still looking on the upside. We're still looking on the downside. We're still looking for dip buys if it falls back down in the 29s. We're still looking for, again, shorts if it spikes on up towards the 36s. Let's just go down to the bottom, guys. Let's get everyone prepared here. Yep, it's the 22nd today. Let me scroll on down to the bottom. Hold on a second. I think I confused it. So what do we got going on here, guys, at the very bottom of the day? Awesome. What we have right here, traders, is number one, as you guys know, there is the Fox Runner Memorial Day sale. They're just posting that for every single person. So make sure if you guys haven't, make sure you guys go sign that on up. You guys are probably aware of it already, but if you have not, take advantage of it. AKTX, this was the press release of last night that they posted. Preclinical data demonstrating activity for its pancreatic cancer models. Again, good drug results for cancer. We also do have our Thursday's top gainers. We know AKAN was one of the best ones of yesterday. So that is why we're watching it here today. Yesterday, we did see President Trump and NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang focus on quantum. Traders, the U.S. government gave quantum stocks $2 billion. And now we're seeing President Trump and NVIDIA give them even more money. So, quantum stocks. Some people say it's fake Fugazi. Some people say it's real. Some people say, again, like, oh, it'll never be solved. Some people say it will be. But regardless, these are, again, the quantum plays you guys want to be looking at. These are the quantum stocks that you guys want to focus on at this moment. Okay? Zoom. Zoom came out with its earnings last night. Zoom spiked from $95 all the way up towards around $110. TTWO. TTWO, we talked about Grand Theft Auto 6. This play is on the rise. The reason why they're bringing it up right now is they did have earnings last night as well that did very well. So good earnings, Grand Theft Auto right around the corner. That's going to be really big. US and Iran signal progress towards a peace treaty among ongoing nuclear tensions. So that's probably going to rise the S&P 500. Oil prices climb as confidence fades in the U.S.-Iran negotiations. Well, this is a little, again, deceiving. We have one side saying that they're going to be doing, we're going to be seeing, peace negotiations. The other side saying we're not going to see peace negotiations. Let's see here. Then we have a whole bunch of news on this day. We have TIGR and FUTU. These are the ones that, again, are just dumps. I think FUTU, guys, is still going to keep on falling. I do. I think even though FUTU has already fallen so much, I do think it's going to continue to fall. When you get investigated, it's never a good sign. Yes, it fell from 120 to 75. It could go from 75 to 30. When you get investigated, it is very, very, very bad news. Okay? I want to make sure every single person is aware of that. All right. Guys, give me 1 second. The brokerage, Cobra, it just sent me an email that says, hey, Sean, can you give me a quick call? So, guys, give me 1 moment. The brand new PDT rule broker is going to be opening on up here, and they want to give me a quick call. I just want to answer them, make sure it's all green lights ahead. Okay? So, again, I'm going to throw on some tunes for you guys. And, again, we'll be all set, ready to go. Let me, again, just talk to them, see what they're doing. Guys, AKAN, is this getting a little dip buy? Oh, guys, AKAN, hold on a second. We're getting a little dip buy right here, aren't we? I'm going to be in on this play here in a second. Hold on. So AKAN here, traders, I'm actually in on at this moment. So AKAN, I actually just got filled on my dip, as we talked about back on down to the Dekmar dungeon. 800 shares here. Any profits, good profit. Let's see here. What am I in at? 29.62. Guys, I'm in at 29.62. Can we bounce back on up towards like $30 plus? I'm going to be honest with you. We went a little bit lower than what I wanted, all the way back on down towards that $29 or $28 mark. I am going to just probably say to myself, hey, you know what? This play right here, it went a little bit lower than what I wanted. I think I'm going to maybe cut out of this play, take a small loss, and just say, hey, you know what? Let me start fresh. I don't like how good my entry is, and I'd rather, again, call Cobra real quick, make sure everything's good. Right now here, traders, sitting with a $10 loss. So AKN, $10 loss at this moment. Okay? Got in on my dip buy, got out of my dip buy, sitting perfectly even, $10 loss at this time. Give me a moment. I want to call again Cobra, make sure everything's good for this launch, and we'll be all set, ready to go to continue to trade. All right, give me a moment. We'll be all set, ready to go.
I got some damn bitches I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm a ball till the day I fall.
I like beer.
Smile like you mean it. Smile like you mean it. Smile like you mean it. I'm a ball till the day I fall.
I know it's hard to admit it that you found love. It's hard to stay in it, but he's better than anyone I've seen you with before. It's true love, don't fake it. You better not, you better not. It's right here, don't waste it. You better not, you better not.
Can we forget about the things I said when I was drunk? I didn't mean to call you that. I can't remember what was said or what you threw at me. Please tell me why. The car is in the front yard and I'm sleeping with the clothes on. Came through the window last night.
You better not. It's true love, don't fake it. You better not, you better not. It's right here, don't waste it. You better not,
Because when the sunshine we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, ella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella. Ella, ella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella. Ella, ella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella. Ella, ella, eh, 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 eh.
Lifestyle to the rich and the famous. They're always complaining, always complaining. If money is such a problem, well, they got mansions. Think we should rob them. Lifestyle to the rich and the famous. We'll take clothes, cash, cars, and homes. Just stop complaining. If money is such a problem, well, they got mansions. Think we should rob them.
Shake your money maker. Like you were shaking that for some paper. Took your mama 9 months to make ya. Might as well shake what your mama gave ya. You looking good in them jeans. I bet you look even better with me in between. I keep my mind on my money, money on my mind. But you's a hell of a distraction when you shake your behind.
just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Suddenly I'm a fiend, and you all I need, all I need. Yeah, yeah, all I need is you, babe. And I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would
Damn, I ain't be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony. I do for clowns and all the black shoes. Know you're mine. Hands on your body. I don't wanna waste no time. I can't look away. I just gotta say, and I'm like, whoa, man, my legs so goddamn cold. Diamonds when my teeth are
Woo! All right, traders. You guys ready? All right. Hey, guys. AKAN. Stock again went a little bit lower than what I was even expecting. So all I can say is, again, good thing I, again, broke even. Make sure I got out of that play. And we are getting close. Guys, 9 a.m. press release wave on the way. I am so excited to see what this 9 a.m. press release wave brings us, what this 9 a.m. wave is going to be doing, and we are going to be ready to rock here. It's going to be a big day. Happy Friday to everyone. Guys, before this 9 a.m. press release wave starts, can I see everyone in the chat room? If you guys are excited for this day, if you guys are excited for Memorial Day weekend, if you guys are excited for no more PDT rule, if you guys are pumped to trade with sub $25,000 in your account, hit me with a good old good morning. Hit me with a good old drop a gift, show me some love, and let's get ready to rock and roll here. I will be dropping the link here today at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time for everyone. So we will be all set. 9 a.m. getting ready to rock and roll. Oh, we got a little visitor in the house. Little visitor coming on in. Oh. 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 He did not want to be picked up today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for this day. 9 a.m. press release wave kicking on off here. It's time! Let's see if we get anything big at 9 a.m. Let's see if AKAN starts ripping and running. We want to find where's the buying volume going to take us, because now we're going to have to switch game plans, guys. If all of a sudden AKAN falls all day, we got to switch game plans. Now let's see what we have here. PCLA, AKTX, LFS, BIYA. BIYA slowly trying to move itself on up. We are again going to be watching every single one of these moves. AKN just gave a whole lot back, unfortunately. I was hoping AKN would still float around like $29. So this is the issue, guys. I'm gonna give you the issue right now at this time. I'm gonna turn off the music here for a moment. This is the issue. The issue is right now, AKAN was where we were focused on. This was our top stock. This is where all the hype was. Now, AKAN, unfortunately, went from $23, shot up to $33. We love that. But now it's going back on down to $26. Now it's going back on down to $27. Now it's getting a little weaker here. So the thing is, what I see is someone tell me right now, what is this chart setup? What chart setup is right here? What chart setup is behind me? First person that gets it right wins. This is what I would call straight, very simple, as a head and shoulders pattern. Wouldn't you guys agree? If you guys take a look here, don't you guys see here's a shoulder, here's the head, and here's a shoulder forming? Could we not see something like this coming on up? Could we see not our left shoulder, our head, our right shoulder, and our sell-off? Absolutely, right? So I want to make sure that you guys are understanding and you guys are all set, ready to go here. So awesome, awesome, awesome. Head and shoulders pattern. You guys can look for shorts on AKAN as well. So AKAN shorts, maybe back up towards $29. This will be hot regardless at the start of the day over on AKAN. No matter what, there will be action. There will be activity. People will be focused on AKAN at some point on this day here. PCLA. PCLA, again, this one needs to spike on up towards around that $10 mark. Really, I want to see what... Also, AKTX traders, what do you guys think on AKTX? If AKTX can break this downtrend, we could possibly see a squeeze. Now, guys, this would be really fun. This would be really fun here. Because you guys know how AKAN went on the squeeze today? Look at this. AKAN moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up, and just squeezes and explodes. That was awesome. That was really fun. That was really great. AKN just squeezed from $24 up to $34 before coming back on down. We might be able to see something similar here today over on AKTX. And AKTX right here, this is the play. Top resistance, top resistance, top resistance. And again, if we can break through $10, $50, $11, that's where this can start moving itself on up. That's where this could start getting a little bit more hype. So making sure every single person is ready to go here. 9:04. Traders, we are 26 minutes. 26 minutes away. 100 spots are being filled to be able to get signed up on Cobra's brand new small account brokerage, no PDT rule, shorting, 4-to-1 margin, pre-market, after hours trading. It's what I'm using for the small account challenge. So if you guys want to be able to trade the small account challenge, trade with me every single play, make sure you guys get yourself a spot. Do not miss out in the next, again, 25 minutes on this spot. And again, you don't even need to have the $2,000 today. Just make sure you're ready in the next week and a half. But I want to make sure you guys are having this spot so you guys are all good here. Now, I did make this watch list a little earlier, guys, and it still basically like is in effect here. Watch list, as we know, PCLA, not too concerned with this play, needs to get back up near around $10, right? PCLA, not too concerned with it, got to get back up near $10, doesn't have any sort of credible news. I like it, I don't love it. AKTX, amazing news last night. If we break this downtrend, we might go on a little rally up towards around $12. AKTX, one of the best press releases I'm seeing. LFS needs to get back above $5. It's a low float stock, definitely can rip and run, but unfortunately right now, it's not our favorite. BIYA, heads on up for you guys. 122 is the 50-day moving average. 122. Make sure you guys are aware. BIYA, new high of the day right now. So, high of the day, BIYA, one of the best plays at this moment, hitting new fresh highs. 122 is the 50-day moving average. AKAN, my top watch after being the #1 top gainer of yesterday. So, BIYA here, traders. This one is trying to spike. This one is trying to squeeze. And this one is trying to get its momentum, pushing this play on up, currently hitting some highs at this moment. So, that is, again, very important for all traders that are, focused on BIYA in any sort of way. Please note that the 50-day moving average is at 122. That is going to be some strong resistance. All right, here, traders. So we do have a good, credible, a lot of good hype, a lot of good action, a lot of good momentum here It is Friday. Traders, for anyone who does not know, we are moving our way into a 3-day weekend here. So I will not see you guys until Tuesday after today. So I hope everyone does enjoy their 3-day weekend. But with that being stated, I want to make sure you guys are, again, loving every single minute of today. With all the Memorial Day sales, all the giveaways, everything that's coming on up. And of course, I know what you guys are waiting for the most right now. Getting ready to rock and roll for, again, that sub PDT rule. PDT rule, guys, coming down to an end in the next 2 weeks, but being able to get early access to that is absolutely insane. So I definitely want to see what we can do here. Man, it is awesome. I love, again, being able to wake up with you guys every single day, getting some trades in, making some profits, and again, seeing what we have here next. QTEX. AKAN, little bounce play back up towards around 28. I think AKAN could again spike right back up towards around 30 at the bell, then maybe a little bit of a short. We got 20 minutes here, team. Now, traders, let's talk about this here. Let's talk about what we have. Let's talk about what we're doing here. In the next 20 minutes, and I'm waiting for the link right now. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm waiting for the link for them to send it over to me. But in the next 20 minutes, for this brand new Cobra's broker here, what I want you guys to understand here is that Cobra is a premium broker. What does a premium broker mean? A premium broker is going to be someone that you need to have at least $25,000 to trade with. That's a large sum of money. That's serious trading right there. But now, with again the upcoming no PDT rule, now we don't have to worry about establishing $25,000. Now you guys can be able to trade with as little as you want, as many times as you want. And how incredible is that? How amazing is it that we are about to enter a time where you guys can trade nonstop, short nonstop, 4-to-1 margin, be able to trade as much as humanly possible. Let me shut the door real quick. So this is what is so exciting. And this is why I think the amount of volatility in the next 2 weeks is going to be insane. I truly believe we will see some of the biggest breakouts and some of the biggest spikes and some of the biggest moves and some of the biggest runs here. So I want to make sure every single person is set. Now, their brand new brokerage will be live to the public starting on up in like a week or so. But I do have 100 spots that I can be able to send out today so that you guys can get yourself funded, get yourself set, and give yourself early access. Now that's really incredible. So I will be dropping this here at 9:30 a.m. I don't care if you guys have $2,000 or not right now. The most important thing is to just get yourself a seat. You know what I mean? So no matter what, just get yourself a seat. No matter what, lock yourself on in. And again, check it on out. Check out the platform. Check it all on out. Fill out the app. Make sure you guys are all set. And let's get ready for the small account challenge. The small account challenge starting on up in June 4th is going to be the time, as you guys know, when I'm going to be dropping on down to a $4,000 account. Traders, $4,000 account. No more PDT rule. I'm going to be trading nonstop, shorting, 4-to-1 margin. This means I'm going to be able to trade with $16,000 on a small account. I have not done a small account challenge in probably about 2 years. Let me come back down to your shoes. Let me again drop on down to a small account, and let's see if Sean Deckmar can put his money where his mouth is. Let's see if he's as good as he says he is. So this is again a very exciting time, and this is going to be absolutely incredible in every single way. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are motivated. And we will see what we have, seeing where this hype and this action and this activity is going to be going. Baby, oh baby, oh baby. And we are all set here. It's going to be a big day. Oh, it's Christmas time. It feels like Christmas time. Feels like Christmas time. Traders, let's ask you guys right now, what is your favorite stock on this day? I want you guys to tell me right now, what is your favorite stock on this day? Everyone at this moment. Ooh, lost the chat box there for a second. Put it back up. Guys, right now, type out. If you can only play one stock today, what stock you playing? I like doing this here, traders, because I like seeing what like everyone's thinking. Is it AKAN today? Is it AKTX? Is it LFS? Is it whatever play you see? So what's your favorite play? Everyone right now, type it on out. I'm going to have my favorite play today. I think I got to stick with it. I still think, you know, even on the upside or the downside, AKAN has potential. So I'm going to go AKAN. So right now here, traders. All right, here, traders. Let's make sure that we are all set. Obviously, we are excited here, motivated. Deck, the S&P 500 is starting to rip. S&P 500. Hey, we're trying to get back above. We're trying to get ourselves back on up. You know, the S&P 500 back above the price of 750. Hey, going into the 3-day weekend, possible brand new record highs. That could be exciting. That could be a very big time, huh? So that's going to be a lot of awesomeness. And I know, again, RGTI, RGTI is a quantum play. The United States gave $2 billion, $100 million each to RGTI, to, again, QBTS, QUBT, IONQ, all of these, again, quantum computing plays. So, again, quantum, still definitely very hot. So right now, AKAN. Guys, here comes, I think, that shoulder. I don't know. Do you guys think shorts could be good right now on AKAN? AKAN shorts, 1,000 shares on this play. What's the 200-day moving average? That might be the quick little touch, 3173. You get a little touch up towards 3173 on some shorts over on the 200-day moving average. I'm thinking about loading up shorts here, guys, as close as we can to the 200-day moving average. AGTI. AKN, start to move back on up. This is my current game plan, guys. My current game plan for every single person right now is to see AKAN, 200-day moving average, is at the price of 3170. Let's try to place entries as close as we can to 3170. So at the bell, the stock spikes, hits, we get a nice short, drops back on down. That would be my game plan. 200-day moving average, just like as you guys can see the 50-day moving average. Just like you guys can see the 13 EMA. What do you guys realize a lot of times? Usually hit the green line, fall, 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 hit the green line. Sometimes you break it slightly or you gap above it, then crash. Look what you have again, bouncing. Bounce off the blue line, the 50-day moving average, beautiful. A lot of times, these moving averages just hold up as support and resistance. So if AKAN spikes on up towards, again, that 200-day moving average, you guys will be all set, ready to go here. What's the fee for AKAN? AKAN for 1,000 shares was $80. So you can see AKAN, 1,000 shares, accepted, and I paid $80. So 1,000 shares, which would be about a $30,000 investment, cost me $80. That's actually not bad at all. Right now here, traders, 9:18 in the market. Things are about to be exciting. Happy Friday to everyone. Happy Friday to every single trader. Happy Friday to every single person waking up right now, getting this day going. And we are again 10 minutes away from our next press release right now, or 10 minutes away from our next possible trade. Right now, we are sitting with a $10 loss, guys. We are essentially even on the day. We're down $10. So let's get ourselves a nice profit on this day. Let's get ourselves up in the green. We are going to be watching AKN at the bell, and then of course we're going to go from there. Making sure everyone is aware right now here, traders. You guys can see top gainers with news or filings. You guys can see right here, top gainers with news or filings. BIYA, KIDZ, AIDX. Guys, by far, BIYA is the most popular. It's up 78%. The next one is only 18%. It talks about establishing, right? You guys can see here, establishing a $1 million strategic BNB investment. Open up the full article right here, and you guys can be able to read the entire thing on that $1 million position. So, BIYA, that is the best press release so far today. Now, you might say, well, there's no other big press releases today? And the answer is no, there's not many other big press releases today. So what are you going to be watching? What are you going to be looking at here? What instead I want you guys looking at is AKTX, which had a great press release last night. If you guys, again, go check out AKTX right here, and we go over to the news, AKTX, this play states what? It says AKTX reports breakthrough on preclinical data demonstrating activity of AKTX cross inhibition on, again, pancreatic cancer models. So you guys would be all set, ready to go right there. All right, so AKTX, that's one that you guys can be looking at and you guys can be aware of. All right, so want to make sure that you guys are all good. Guys, AKAN starting to fall a little bit. I don't want it falling just yet. I don't want it falling just yet here. 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away, ladies and gentlemen, till 9:30. And until we get ready for no more PDT rule. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Traders, let's see what we have here next. Getting ourselves pumped. Traders, give me one moment. We will be all set here, ready for a big day ahead. All eyes are excited here. We're fired up here. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Just gonna go fill up my water bottle before this day starts, and we will be ready to get after it. Guys, 1 second here.
So she gon' call her friends, now that's the plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
Roll out to drive. Go beer on Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio. Well, I see some. See the love in my woman's eyes. Feel the touch of my precious child. And old mother's love.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's the plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
All right, guys. Hey, for everyone that's joining us, make sure you guys hit that thumbs on up. Make sure you guys get yourself ready to go for this absolutely amazing day. Let's switch out our scanners and let's just stay prepared on this morning. All right, here, team. All right, here, traders. Gator Trader says, after all these years of trading, why do I still get butterflies right before the market opens? I get that as well. I get it. I understand it. Traders, hold on a second. PIII. Look at PIII. Low volume play trying to creep itself on up. So PIII, this play, low volume stock, mid candle breakout pattern play. You can even see mid candle breakout pattern because it's coming from our mid candle breakout scanner. And make sure you guys go ahead and watch that. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that on out. Remember, team, I again stress this to everyone. If you guys want trade ideas, you guys can get trade ideas right here and right now on this amazing weekend. Make sure you guys sign up with DECMAR28 for 28% off or DECMAR22 for 22% off. And I will give you my $1,000 scanner codes for free. If you just sign up to trade ideas and don't use my code, I am not giving you guys my scanners for free. So, trade ideas, DECMAR28, 28% off. Make sure you guys go check that on out. Or DECMAR 22 for 22% off. And I will again send everything on over, making sure that you guys are all good. There's just so many Memorial Day sales right now. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. All the links are in the description. Make sure you guys go check them on out, and you guys will be all set. Now, team, little heads on up. I am still waiting for the link from Cobra, okay? So I am waiting for the link from Cobra right now. Once I get that link, we will be all set, ready to go. Okay, so I'm waiting for the link from Cobra. Once I get that link, that's where I can post it. So they're probably finishing up a few things, making sure everything's all set for the 100 people that get a seat. But until we are good to go. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. All right, guys. So once I get that link, I will let you know. And we are going to be, again, getting ready to drop that for 100 people to have early access to the brand new Cobra Broker. No more PDT rule. Unlimited shorting potential. 4-to-1 risk to reward margin. Ah! It's a big day. Getting ready for the small account challenge. Oh. Guys, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Traders, let's see again, where is this buying volume going to take us? Where is this hype? Where is this action? Where is this momentum going to go? $9.26 in this market here, traders. We got AKAN at this time. And again, AKAN, I'm still watching this play closely. I like AKAN, as you guys know, for some potential shorts. I am not in on this play. Right now here, traders, I am an open book. Now, I do want to throw this out here, guys. Just a little heads on up. I know most people here right now are just waiting for me to drop that link in the next 3 minutes for you to have early access. I do not have it just yet. Cobra just called me, said, Sean, they're finishing some things on up. Once they send it on over, I'll again tell everyone, we'll give everyone a fair shot to be able to sign up, drop it, make sure you guys are all good. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to drop it in the next 2 minutes. I'm waiting for an email from them, okay? So once I get it, it's all hands on deck. Let's fucking go. But I gotta wait another 2 minutes or so until, again, we're all good. So if you guys are waiting for, again, the new PDT rule drop, early access, make sure you guys are ready to go here. Give me a moment, and once that link comes on through, we will be ready. All right. PCLA, LFS, AKTX, BIYA. BIYA, guys, please note, we do have 122 50-day moving average here. 122 50-day moving average. Let's get ready for just an absolutely awesome day ahead. It's kind of crazy. They trust me to give away early access to new Isn't it? Isn't it a little nuts, guys? That somehow, again, people trust me to give away early access to no PDT rule brokers. I mean, I'm over here dancing, having a good time, wiggling and waggling, making some trades, getting the vocal cords ready, bust out some karaoke later. And I have this power to be able to give away some early access. Right now, traders, 929. I will say I do not have the link just yet. So the moment it comes on through, let's get ready to go. But I say we start with AKAN. Everyone, let's turn our attention. Let's look to make some money first then. Let's look to make some money first. Let's trade together. AKAN, and we'll be all set, ready to go here. Right now here, traders, we are getting ourselves fully prepared. Big day ahead. I want to see AKAN spike above, up towards the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average, traders, is up towards 31.70. Where do I want to short? $31 and higher. Okay? So right now at this moment, just a heads on up, I want to be dropping the link for you guys. Cobra called me, said they just have to work out a few small things and then they will be sending me the link. So I'm not dropping it right now at this instant. I'm waiting for the link to come through, and then it's a free-for-all, the first 100. So we are waiting for that. Once that comes on through, we will be good to go for you guys to be able to go ahead and get your access, but I am not dropping it just yet. The moment it comes on through, we will again have a countdown and we will do this together. Okay? So, waiting for it. Once it happens, we'll be all set. LFS, watching to see if that one can get back up towards around 4.5. LFS, I think, actually is going to be a good short here. LFS, a lot of resistance right up towards around 4.10, 4.12. LFS, hard to borrow play. How much are shares to short over there? LFS here, guys. I just want to see. Too expensive. LFS is a pretty expensive play. I would say, though, LFS, I do think it's going to have a lot of rejection right around this 415-ish mark. Let's see if I would have been correct. Maybe it's a good thing I'm not shorting. But again, I do think at 415, there will be a lot of rejection over on LFS. We'll keep that one on watch. AKTX. AKTX a little bit weaker, guys. AKTX. And then where's AKAN? Guys, AKAN, a little bit of a pullback right now. A little bit of fading, a little bit of falling right now over on AKAN. Deck, S&P 500 approaching 750. Amazing. Traders, FUTU. Little heads on up for anyone who does not know. You guys can go ahead and look at this over on Fox Runner here. FUTU. This is a play here that was being investigated. FUTU, this was a play here that was being investigated by the SEC, or basically China's version of the SEC. So I just want every single person to just be aware of this. Look at this. FUTU and TIGU as China expands financial regulatory crackdown. These are two other plays that I also think, again, could easily fall. Yes, I know, again, they've gone from 123 down towards around 73 bucks. If this play gets up into the 90s, absolutely, I would say go ahead and look for a short on this play. Absolutely get ready for, again, a drop. Absolutely get ready for a sell-off. So FUTU, let's see, symbol is shortable. It's a shortable play. Is there a chance that this thing can maybe rip and rally a little bit? Try to spike on up? Do 100 shares at a time? See if this one can get up into the 88s. If this one can get up to the 88s, I'm going to short it. I want to have some fun today, baby. Guys, also AKTX. Do not forget, AKTX is one of the best press releases today. Now that one is starting to try to spike a little bit. Now, it's not doing anything crazy right now, but I will say AKTX is one of the best press releases today, is one of the best potential stocks here. So FUTU. Let's see here. Still going to look for shorts, as I said, on FUTU. KIDZ, guys, waiting for the link to come through for Cobra. I apologize about the little delay. Should be, again, coming through here any minute, and we'll be all set, ready to go on this very fun, very exciting journey that we're about to go on together. Man, let's get ready to rock and roll. Let's get ready to get after it. PCLA, LFS, AKTX. I want to make a little bit of money here, traders. If you guys see anything, let's go ahead and see what we have. So FUTU. Guys, this is always weird. This is always weird here. So basically, right? You know, it's like I'm sitting here telling you guys we have an incredible opportunity. And the incredible opportunity is we are going to be able to trade with no more PDT rule, 4-to-1 margin, not unlimited trades, unlimited shorts. And some people, and I always get it every now and then, some people over on like X will be like 4x margin, pathic. Peeps are going to be asking mommy, can I sleep in the basement? Sad that you're promoting this. Guys, why would someone even get upset about it? Some people get upset about it because they say, oh, 4-to-1 margin, people can end up losing their money. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Do you get mad at car manufacturers that can drive 200 miles per hour? Oh, shame on you. That car goes 200 miles per hour. Most people can't handle that. Well, then don't drive 200 miles per hour, right? Oh, hey, look at that. That guy over there just, again, drank a whole bottle of whiskey to himself. He could probably die. Shame on again. It's like, well, then don't do that, right? It's a very simple answer. Oh, 4-to-1 margin. It's there if you want it. It's there if you want to drive 200 miles per hour. It's there if you want to. I think I'm speaking to every single person here that's over 18 miles per hour or 18 years old, right? You want to have the ability if you want to. Doesn't mean you have to. But again, to be able to have the freedom to be able to trade as much money as we want, that's amazing. That's incredible. Stop being a little pussy. Right now, let's go! Right now here, traders, let's get ready to rock. Don't fire me up like this today. Don't get me going today. There's already too much going on here. So right now here, traders, I am looking for that next possible trade. We might get some shorts, as I said, over on FTU or FUTU. MRM, FUTU. Guys, FUTU, I might be getting filled here soon. Let me again bring over my P&L box. FUTU, going to look to try to get filled here soon if this one does get a little bit of a pop, as I said. Just because when you are getting investigated, it's never a good thing. That's why FUTU went from $124 all the way back down to 73. If we go from 73 and we spike our way back up to 88, 89, I mean, I think that's a good opportunity to go ahead and get ready for some shorts. AKAN. Guys, unfortunately, AKAN also is getting very weak. FUTU here, traders. I wanted to see 88, 89 if we could have gotten it. We got up to 87, 89. I had entries ready to go on this play if we got up towards around 88, up towards 89. Unfortunately, we're getting a little bit weaker here. IMRX, little bit of a rip. Little bit of a rip right here over on IMRX. So traders, let's see here over on FUTU. How much more can we get left? Get in on this play. This play, we are right around the possibility of getting filled. All right, guys. Hey, FUTU getting first entries filled. First entries filled. Only 100 shares over on FUTU just got filled. My first entry, 88.50, just got filled. 200 shares. We're slowly building. We are going to slowly build a position on this play. See if we can make a little bit of money. See if we can make a little bit of cash. And see how high we can actually get this. So traders, I want to try to load the boat right around 90. And again, this is a stock that should be getting investigated. If you're getting investigated, usually it's not a good thing. Okay? So I don't care that the stock has already gotten a little bit of a drop and fade right here, right? It's getting a little bit of a pop, and I think we could easily reverse, and we could be able to make, $200, $300 on this day. I truly, truly believe like that's within our wheelhouse. There's 259. If I can make again a smooth 500 today, I will take that. Guys, we're up 320, 360. Stock's starting to fall back on down. And again, we have room to fall all the way back on down to sub $85. Guys, we're up $436, $454, $500. Guys, let's take our $500 profit, just like I said. Boom, just like that, $436. Congratulations, guys. We did everything perfect there. We did everything exactly how we wanted right there. I said, let's make a quick $400, $500 by shorting this play. Jump in on FUTU. That's exactly what we did. Quick, smooth, easy, $400, $500. FUTU. As you guys know, in at 88.50, in at 89.10, out in the 87s right there. Awesome job, everyone. And again, FUTU has a lot of room to fade and fall all the way back on down to 85. Awesome. Awesome job. Just again, getting there, making some profits, trying to make a little quick money right there. So right now at this time here, team, we are all good here. FUTU, PCLA, LFS. Do you guys see any other big spikes, any big moves, any big plays that we can get ourselves involved in right now? If you guys do, feel free to throw it on out there. Made 4K shorting FUTU. I mean, let's go. Amazing. Guys, look at this. FUTU coming back on down towards sub $86. What's AKAN doing? AKAN getting a little bit weaker. I would not count out AKAN though. AKAN yesterday, guys, didn't start spiking till around 10:20 in the 10:20 in the morning. That quantum plays are still moving on up. QUBT still moving itself on up. Quantum plays, nothing bad there. Quantum computing. QBTS, again, still doing well. RGTI, still doing well. Traders, as we again saw this morning, I don't know if you guys checked this on out or not. This morning, we actually saw Trump and Jensen Huang, who is the CEO of NVIDIA. Look at this. Trump and Jensen Huang started buying quantum plays. NVIDIA as a company started buying and looking into more quantum stocks. President Trump buying quantum plays. The US government gave them $2 billion. All right. All right, all right, all right, all right. So right now here, team, we are staying ready. We are staying alert. And we are staying hungry. All right here, traders. Trying to find where that next possible trade would be. RGTI is not too shabby in any sort of way. RGTI, not too bad, not too shabby in any sort of way here. FUTU working its way back on up. Guys, FUTU might be able to get a pop up towards like 94 at this point. If it continues to hold, continues to build higher lows, we might be able to get a little pop up towards around this $94 mark. Right now, FUTU. We are staying alert. We are staying ready. We are staying hungry. And we are keeping ourselves extremely excited about this move here. Right now at this moment here, traders, S&P 500 trying to build itself on up. Going from, again, 740 all the way up towards around 747. Gonna see if we get that rip and run. If we don't get the link here in the next probably 10 minutes here, traders, I'll give them a quick call, okay? If we don't get the link in the next 10 minutes here, I will give them a quick call and see what's going on, because I know you guys are hungry and I know you guys are ready to start trading here. FUTU. Still, again, watching this play. S&P 500. Looking to see where this buying volume is going to go. Guys, FUTU trying to still get a little bit of that pop. FUTU pop on up. $94 next target over on FUTU. $94 next target over on FUTU. Anything else going big here? PCLA. Let's go through all the top gainers together. PCLA, fading and falling. Don't need as much. LFS right now, not doing as LFS spiked on up, came right back on down. BIYA, please understand, guys, you do have strong resistance at 122. 122 is the 50-day moving average. That will not be easy to break and hold above. AKTX, unfortunately, fading and falling. We don't have anything that's looking tremendous right now. Honestly, the best bet is FUTU on a dip buy. Okay? All right here, traders. So right now, I will look for another short entry over on FUTU if we can get up near 94.95. 94.95, guys, is my next shorting opportunity. If I can push myself up towards around $1,000 on the day today, I will take it. So $1,000 day is obviously the goal. Maybe, again, we start some small entries in the 93s. And then we work our way up towards the 94s. If we can be able to get that going here. So, I'm going to be watching this one here, team. Seeing where we are going to be able to get up towards. See if we can be able to start making a little bit of cash and making a little bit of money here. Guys, here, watch this, watch this. FUTU, still trying to move itself on up. 93s, 94s is kind of next area we want. Stock is getting a little overextended. Watch this nice little pop on up here. If we can keep on popping, we could easily, again, touch and then get a little bit of reversal. So far, again, we're still creeping our way on up. If we can get filled, we can obviously look for those reversals after we come up towards around that strong $95 resistance. So going to most likely be getting filled here in the next few moments. We got to go up a little bit higher, though. I don't want low 93s. I want high 93s to, again, mid 94s to get ready for, again, some entries and get ready for some reversals. So FUTU, so far this play has gone from $74 bottom all the way up towards around $93.74 so far. So stock is definitely working itself on up, trying to grind, trying to get some momentum. And if we can go up a little bit higher, if we hit a new high of the day, I will be getting filled over on this play. Guys, first entry just got filled. First entry just got filled over on FUTU. Only 100 shares. Let's see if, again, we keep on building. Guys, we are still spiking here. Now I'm filled 400 shares over on FUTU. Getting filled, as I said, 93s, 94s over on FUTU. That's where I want. Guys, we're up another $200, $300 right now. Now, again, we're doing very well. 400 shares are in on this play, guys, up $367. Let's see if we crash on down. Guys, I'm going to get out of this play right now. Boom! Now just made $867. Woo! Guys, now just made $867 going off that short over on FUTU right there. Amazing job. Amazing work. Getting filled. Seeing that reversal. I said I wanted $1,000. I said I wanted $1,000. You know what? Making FUTU right there. $800, $867. Pretty close. Pretty close. Not too bad. And look at FUTU still dropping. You guys could be clear of $1,000 at this point. So FUTU, amazing job. Now again, we are up $1,000, almost $1,000 on the day. Deck, did you drop the link yet? Where? I have not yet. I know that's what the majority of people are waiting for. The majority of you guys are waiting for the link to come on out. But unfortunately, right now so far, Cobra said they ran into a couple little issues on dropping the, putting out the platform. and they just don't want to do it until everything's perfect. So again, they gave me a quick call. They said it might be a few minutes later. They just want to make sure everything's perfect before, again, we basically bum rush them all. You know what I'm saying? So again, I have not dropped the link yet. I am waiting for the link for you guys to be able to sign up and get your applications in. I want to make sure you guys sign up, get your applications, and you guys are all good. I actually just got an email that said they're going to they're testing it right now. I just got it. It says, we are again testing it right now. We will again let you know within the next 1 minute. So guys, we might be getting this in the next 1 minute. So just a little heads on up. Want to make sure you guys are all good. I also want you guys to know that I'm not lying either. Okay, so just a little heads on up. He just sent me an email just saying, hey, we're trying to push it out. So we're trying to push it on out. That just came on through. CEO of, again, Cobra, working on it, getting things done for us right now. So just want to let you guys know we're trying to push it out right now at this moment. So we are about to be good. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I do want to make sure everyone is fully aware of this, okay? I want to make sure everyone is fully aware of this at this moment. Whew, this is big. We are going to post a link for you guys over in chat, for you guys in Tradecaster, for you guys on YouTube, for you guys everywhere. It does come on down to the first 100 people that sign up will have access. After 100 applications go through, they're turning it off, okay? Because the thing is, the PDT rule officially doesn't start or doesn't end until June 4th. So right now here, team, this is a chance for you to be all set, ready to rock and roll with early access. They're again opening it up only to 100 people to just make sure everything is smooth and everything's working, but you guys are going to have the early access. This is going to be the same exact broker I'm using for the small account challenge. Once I get it, I'm posting it. You guys sign up as quickly as you can because they can't go more than 100 people. That's it. So this is who I'm using for the small account. I'm not using Cobra for the small account because, again, for the small account, I'm only starting with $4,000. It is run through Cobra, through the CEO, through the same brokerage, through everything. And again, this is what you guys want to be using, okay? So the moment it comes on through here, traders, oh boy, it's going to be insane. I mean, it is going to be you also, just a little heads on up. You will need a minimum of $2,000. Now, you do not need a $2,000 in your hand today. What I would say out of today is just put your name down, file the application, and then again, you can fund it next week if you want. You can fund it on Monday or Tuesday of next week if you want to. But the most important thing is that you just get your name down so that you're good to go. Does that make sense, everyone? All right. So I'm going to wait for this to just come on through here. The moment we get it, we're going to have a countdown. And then we're just letting it. People who get it, get it. People who get it, get it. If you get in, you get in. If you don't get in, you don't get in. So I'm just waiting for that email and we'll be all set here. What I am a little nervous of, though, to be honest, is I do fear that we're all going to go over towards it too quickly and it's going to crash the website. That's my biggest fear right now, is that we're going to crash the website because we're all going to just run over towards it real quickly. Guys, congratulations to anyone that did a little short with me over on FUTU. That was an awesome little short right there. So FUTU, depending on where you guys got filled, you guys are all set. 957 in the market right now. PCLA watching this one. LFS, AKTX, BIYA. Traders, I think the only thing we have left here is to get ready for no PDT rule here. So I am happy with my $867. There is no more need for me to be able to trade right now. I got $867 in the bank. Guys, I'm getting a phone call from them right now. Hold on here, people. I'm getting a phone call from them right now. Give me a second. This might be some mega news. I'll be right back on the mic. We'll be all set, ready to go. Hold on here a moment. Oh boy, hold on. Hold on a second. I'm trying to put on this. There we go. All right, traders. Ladies and gentlemen! Right here. First things first. I do want to open up the floor. Does anyone have any questions, comments, or concerns? Anything that you guys need in any sort of way right here and right now? Anything that's on your mind? Anything that's bugging you? Because again, we do have a 3-day weekend coming on up. We do have a 3-day weekend coming on up. So before, again, I want to make sure every single person is ready to rock. I have not posted the link yet. I am still waiting for it, guys. Again, right now I'm going to be honest with you. Cobra says again they have to do they have to do one or two things, because I'm going to be honest with you, okay? They are doing something that is very difficult. They're giving us access to something that is not accessible just yet. So the thing is, they want to make sure it's perfect for you guys. And I can understand that. I can 100% understand that. At the same time, I'm as eager as you are. I'm as eager as you are at this moment. So I'm not sitting here making things on up, as I said. This is literally 11 minutes ago, where we have the CEO of Cobra 11 minutes ago saying, hey, we're trying to push it out. We're trying to get ready. Was just on the phone call with them. They're trying their best to get it out so I can give it to you guys. So I'm going to, give them a few more minutes here to see if they could be able to make it happen. Let's just say worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, we have to wait until Tuesday, which is still amazing, which is still great, but I want to make sure I'm all funded and ready to go. So, I mean, hey, I'm like, guys, I'm ready. I'm a man who sits here in front of you on camera, trading, dancing, saying jokes. But I want to go. I want to do it. I want to get after it with you guys. That's why we're here. Retro, why Cobra instead of Robinhood, TOS, or Webull? Number one, Cobra is giving us early access to, again, the accounts with no PDT rule. Number two, they are having 4-to-1 margin. If you put $4,000 in, you have $16,000. If you put $2,500 in, you can trade up with $10,000. Also, Robinhood sucks at shorting. Webull sucks at shorting. TOS doesn't even have any shorts. So why do I use Cobra? It's real-time data. I can trade at 4 in the morning till 8 o'clock at night. I short every single play, not just blue chips, but micro caps. On top of that here, guys, they give you 4-to-1 margin. So it's like, to me, when I find something that I love, I don't leave it. You know what I mean? All right, so right now here, team, we are again waiting, watching, and we are going to be all set here, ready to get after it. So, traders, how about this, guys? Should we kind of, right now their application process is not open just yet. He just sent me another email. But do you guys want to go through it and kind of check this on out here first? So we can actually check this on out here. You can see, and I'm gonna break this down for every single person, okay? I'm gonna break this down for you guys right now at this moment. All right, let's do it. So guys, we're making progress here. We're making progress here for the no PDT. So, the CEO just again sent me an email. He said, Sean, go ahead, check these two things out. We'll be ready by the time you're done talking about it. Okay, let's see here. What we have, number one, is their brand new broker platform through Cobra is going to be called Big Trades. Big Trades is where it's going to be at. Okay? As you guys can see, bigtrades.com, it's not open yet. It's not up yet. Once this is up and running, they're getting the first 100, and that's what they're going to send me when bigtrades.com is open. Now, traders, I'm going to drop this for you guys as well. You guys can see they did just open up their X account as well. Big Trades by Cobra Trading. So let's see what it is. Let's dive into this a little bit more. Built for active traders who want transparent pricing platform, Big Trades is here. So we do have Big Trades powered by Cobra. Equities, options, and short locates. Awesome. You guys will have access to DOS. You're not getting some shitty platform. You guys do get DOS. You are going to be able to short all the plays that I short. Anything that you guys want to short, we can short together. They also do have options as well. Ladies and gentlemen, take one moment and go ahead and follow this X account. So if you guys have not, take 1 second, follow this X account, brand new broker, because they might even put out a quick little notification saying when they are live as well. So if you guys are signing up to this, go follow them as well, because again, they'll be giving away discounts, things like that, making sure that you guys are all ready to rock. So if you guys have not, take 1 second, take one moment, go follow that account, Big Trades, so we can know when they're live, when we can sign up, when we can get it going, but it should be any second here. Come on! Give it to us! So Big Trades is the name of the new small account by Cobra Trading. It is not live just yet though. I feel like we're getting ready for a countdown because again, it's 100 spots right now for early access to PDT rule trading. It's like, guys, right now it's gonna be chaos. It's most likely going to crash. That's what I'm going to say. It's most likely going to crash the moment it opens. So I want to make sure that we are all set, ready to go. Minimum account size, you need at least 2,000, guys. 2,000. So you guys will be all ready to get after it. Let me see, the sent me a little email here before going over it more. So guys, these are some things that you guys can take a look at. So this is what they just sent me as well, little heads on up. So this is again platform fees if you guys want to use DOS. DOS, guys, $99 a month, $30 a month, or Big Web is free. Now, little heads on up. It's all free. And you might say, how is it all free? If you do at least 100,000 shares a month, it's free. Well, Deck, I don't have $100,000. Guys, time out. You guys want to know a cheat code? Do you guys want to know a cheat code right here? 100,000 shares, your platform is free. So what does that mean? Well, guys, do a 50,000 share entry in, 50,000 share entry out. Like, you don't got to do it on one trade, but I'm saying 50,000, right? You're in and out. That's a trade. That's going to be amazing. You guys are done right there. Well, Deck, I don't have $50,000. Go trade a 4-cent stock. Trade again a $1 play just so you get your free platform. You don't got to do, you could do 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, 3,000, even a 10,000 share play. You do it once, twice, over a 31-day span, you guys can get free access. So if you guys want the DOS platform, if you guys want the mobile, again, just go down to, every month, just go down to a small account and you guys will be all set. It's not that tough, right? So again, what we have here is you guys do get DOS on your computer, and you guys also do get your mobile as well. So that's gonna be really good. Is this live yet? It's not live yet. So right now here, traders, we're waiting for this. Is there any sort of big spiking, big ripping, big running? Right now here, traders. Anything else here? LFS, BIYA, GOVX. Right now here, traders, we are all good. Ready to see where this big momentum is going to take us now. Deck, it's open now? No, it's not. I don't have anything open here. Not open. So we are, again, sitting back here, watching to see what we can do. Again, awesome day of stock trading, guys. Awesome day of trading. Awesome day of everyone, again, getting after it. AKAN, $84 on the short side. AKAN, lost again, $94 on the long side. And then FUTU. Guys, FUTU, fading back on down here slightly. So that one's getting a little bit of weakness. Fading, falling, dropping, and starting to come back on down. Let me see here. No, I am still not getting their site, guys. If it's open for you, again, that's amazing. It's not open for me right now. Not open for me at this time. Guys, though, heads on up. Easy RA trying to push itself on up. So, guys, what I would suggest at this moment here, because we're getting a little bit later in the morning, is what I would suggest at this moment here, team, is if you are 100% interested, 100%, you know, saying, hey, Deck, I want to make sure that we're all set, ready to go, I would head on over to their X account and, again, turn on notifications or follow them, you know, turn on notifications and see when they go live today. Now, I don't think you guys are going to be able to get early access today if they don't have the link ready. But I will say, regardless, go over to their X account, turn on notifications, so if they do come out with anything, you guys will be all set. So again, follow them on X now, and again, turn on their notifications so that they're all good, ready to go. Okay? So I don't know, like, obviously I understand, you know, opening up a brand new site, opening up a brand new broker, and again, the PDT rule is going to be getting dropped in the next 2 weeks. But I do want to make sure that you guys are all set. I just got an email saying it's now live on certain browsers. Ladies and gentlemen, it says it's now live on certain browsers. Unfortunately, my browser cannot do it. Can you guys go and sign up right now? If you guys can, go ahead and click apply now. It says, you know, it says, it's now live on certain browsers. If you guys can get in, right now, go click open an account. This is a screenshot I just got. If you have access, go, and get yourself open an account on, again, the browser right here. Mine is not here live. Let me, again, maybe try on, like Internet Explorer or something. Let me try, like, on Internet Explorer. Is that even a thing anymore? What's the other options? Internet options? Microsoft Edge? Is that what it is? Let me try Microsoft Edge real quick. See if that works. No, so guys, I can't get in, unfortunately. If you can get in, go over to open an account now and get ready to go. And you guys can go, I think. You guys can go. Mo Money, yeah. Add your email. It says add your email. And again, they're going to send you their application. So they're going to send you the application. You add the email, they send you the application. So Firefox works. I don't think I have Firefox. So it says Firefox works. Microsoft Edge is working. Let me try it again. My Microsoft Edge right here, guys. I don't believe I got it. Big trades. It's not working for me. Firefox says it's working for some. But yes, guys, add your email. They will send you the application. So that's how you do it, guys. They just said, add your email. They'll send you an application because it's not open to the public for everyone right now. It's not open to the public. Please get that out there that you have to add your email to, again, that spot. They will then send you the application. Okay? So just a little heads on up. If you guys can get in right now, do it. Add your email. They will send you the application. Do not miss out on this right now. I know it's a little bit frustrating if you guys can't get in like I can't right now. But if you can get in, get your email in. First 100 going right now so you guys can get your app. Mo Money says, Deck, I got in. I got my application in. Okay, awesome. Message successfully sent. iPhone works. Firefox works. Says add email. Go ahead. Do it. Do it. Do it. Guys, I just want to make sure before this gets out to the public here that you guys are getting in first, okay? So, again, if you guys can get in, I will drop the link here for every single person. And if you guys can get in, make sure you guys go do it right now because, again, word's going to spread about it. And I just want to make sure that you guys are the first 100 in, okay? So I want to make sure that you guys are all set. I want to make sure. Now, again, as you guys can imagine right now, as you guys can imagine at this moment, they are getting probably a little flooded. Obviously, their site just went live a few moments ago. I'm the only one that even knows that their site's about to go live, right? So I just want to make sure that this is perfectly clear, guys. Give them a few moments here. It's about to go into Memorial Day weekend regardless. You're probably not going to get an email in the next 10 seconds, okay? So cut them a little slack. I'm imagining it's probably a little hectic over there. They're trying to hook you guys on up. They just went live right there. I'm just making sure that you guys are getting yourself all set, and you guys will probably receive an email shortly. Okay? So, please also know, team, unfortunately, I do not work for Cobra. I am not a Cobra employee. I am not part of that. But what I do know is that I want to make sure that every single person here is set for, of course, next week, or set bare minimum for June 4th. You know? So I know, again, it was a little bit crazy. I know that was a little bit hectic. And I know, again, some people are still not in. I'm not still in. The moment it works for you guys, make sure you guys go ahead, add your email. They will send you the application. Okay, so that's what they told me. They will again send you their application. It's probably not going to come through in the next 2 minutes. It'll probably come through sometime today. But as long as you add your email, or as long as again you make sure that you guys are good, that application will come. Okay. So are you guys all set? Does that make sense, everyone? I am just only trying to help you guys on out. And please remember this, guys. Just a little side note here. I'm not selling you guys anything. I'm not, again, saying, hey, let's all buy this one thing. This is all free stuff. If you are not interested, you do not have to do it. But this is where I am going for my small account challenge. This is where I'm going to be able to trade with no PDT rule. This is where I'm going to be able to short all small accounts with, again, a small account, or all small cap trades with a small account. So I just want to make sure you guys are at least getting in on what I am going to be using. And that's why it's so important that I was stressing this. Okay? So only trying to help you guys on out. Only trying to make sure you guys are all set. Unfortunately, on my end, I still can't even get in on my end, guys. So just a little heads on up. I unfortunately can't get in on my end. Once that does, we'll be all set. But some people are saying they have luck on iPhone. Some people are saying they have luck on Firefox. Some people are saying Microsoft Edge. My Google Chrome is not working for that at this time. Okay? Once again, I will drop this link here for every single person so that you guys are all ready to rock here. Boom, boom, boom. But I'm sure, again, they're going to get everything up for you guys. Yep, I'm sure it's going to be Larry. I'm sure it's going to be the first emails that they get. I'm sure it's going to be the first, emails that they get. They're going to send those on out. And then again, once the applications are out, they're going to accept 100 applications for this upcoming week. So this upcoming week, accept 100 applications. I would say it's probably the first people that fill out their applications and return them. That's most likely what it would be. All right. Well, guys, a pretty eventful end of the week there. We again locked in $867. We are getting ourselves ready for Memorial Day weekend. And now we got a 3-day weekend coming on up. Traders, it is an absolute blast to be here with you guys every single day. To be able to help make you guys money, that's all I care about. That's all I want. I want to see you guys grow. I want to see you guys learn. And I want to see you guys keep making that cash and keep making that money. Amazing job. Amazing work. Let's do it here, traders. Follow them on X if you guys haven't. And you guys have the link so when it opens, you guys can be able to add your emails. Traders, I love you. Enjoy that 3-day weekend. Get ready. We only have 2 more weeks until the PDT rule is gone and until the small account challenge begins. Let's do it, team! In 3, 2, 1! I love you guys. Amazing job. $867 on the day. And now again, add your emails and you guys will be all set, ready to go. They will send you the application when they are ready to get after it and ready to make that money.
So let's go there. Let's make our escape. Come on, let's go there. Let's ask, can we slay? Can you take me higher to a place where blind men see? Can you take me higher?
in flames, but there's no one getting me over you. Yeah. Guess I'm all out of luck when the bar closes up round 2. What do I do when I'm sleeping on a mattress as cold as you? Baby, I wish I knew who taught you how to move on, who showed you how to make it look so damn easy. Just give me like an old song and hang me out to dry like you were waiting to leave me. With the smile that's eyes as wide as some over you's eyes. I know you didn't learn on your own. Girl, who taught you how to move on? Who taught you how to move on? Who do you see when you close your eyes? Who's been keeping you up at night? Seems like you've been doing alright, and maybe I'd be too if I knew who taught you how to move on. Who taught you how to move on? Who showed you how to make it look so damn easy? Just give me like an old song. Just give me like an old song. And hang me out to dry like you were waiting to leave me. The smile that's twice as wide as some over you eyes. I know you didn't learn on your own. Girl, who taught you how to move on? Who taught you how to move on?
Please come now. I think I'm falling, holding on to what I think is safe. It seems I found the road to nowhere, and I'm trying to escape. I am back when I heard thunder, but I'm down to one last breath. And with it, let me say, hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge, and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet is so far down. I'm looking down, now that it's over, reflecting on all of my mistakes. I thought I found the road to somewhere I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking, hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking, maybe 6 feet ain't so far down. Hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking, maybe 6 feet ain't so far down. Please call now. I think I'm falling, holding on to all I think is safe. She calls me from the cold, just when I was low, feeling short of stable. All that she intends, and all she keeps inside is in on the label. She says she's ashamed. Can she take me for a while? Can I be a friend? We'll forget the past, or maybe I'm not able, and I break at the bend. We're here and now. Will we ever be again? 'Cause I have found all that shimmers in this world is sure to fade away again. She drinks champagne dreams, strawberries of her eyes, pink linen on white paper, lavender and cream, fills up butterflies, reality escapes her. She says that love is for fools that fall behind, and I'm somewhere between. I never really know a killer from a savior till I break at the bend. We're here and now. Will we ever be again? 'Cause I have found all that shimmers in this world is sure to fade away again. It's too far away for me to hold, too far away. It's too far away for me to hold, too far away. It's too far away for me to hold, too far away. It's too far away for me to hold, too far away. It's too far away for me to hold, far away. It's too far away for me to hold, too far away. Guess I'll let it go. She said it's cold outside and she hands me my raincoat. She's about things like that. Well, she said it's all gonna end and it might as well be my fault. And she only sleeps when it's raining, and she screams and her voice is strange. She says, baby, it's 3 a.m., I must be lonely. She says, baby, well, I can't help but be scared of it all sometimes. And the rain's gonna wash away, I believe it. She's got a little bit of something, God, it's better than nothing. And in a color portrait wall, she believes that she's got it all. She swears the moon don't hang quite as high as it used to. And she only sleeps when it's raining, and she screams, and her voice is strange. And she says, baby, when it's 3 a.m., I must be lonely. Well, when she says, baby, well, I can't help but be scared of it all sometimes. And the rain's gonna wash away, I believe this. She believes that life isn't made up of all that she used to. And the clock on the wall has been stuck at 3 for days and days.